Hey, let me show you how you can use the device connection on your Huawei FreeBuds 5i. So I'm currently connected with my phone and I have to open the connection center and turn on this dual connect. And next I'm gonna pair this earbuds to this second device, that's my tablet. And to do this we have to simply input both earbuds inside the case. Then we have to click on this button until the indicator starts blinking white. Release that button and keep that case open, remember. Next, on your second device, you have to open the Bluetooth settings. So open the Bluetooth on your device. Then take a look for the available devices and select your Huawei FreeBuds 5i. Accept the pairing. As you can see right now, I'm connected with my tablet and also with my smartphone. And right now, when I want to switch the connection, I have to open this connection center. And for example, if I want to disconnect and stay only with my phone, I have to click right here and tap disconnect. I'm not going to unpair, just disconnect and take a look. Right now on my tablet, I'm not connected anymore. And if I want to connect back, all I have to do is just to click right here. And after a few seconds, I will be connected. So as you can see, that's the great feature that you can adjust from your main device. And yeah, if you want to remove any of the devices, you have to tap on the settings icon and tap to unpair. And take a look, I'm connected, but when I click OK and unpair, I will be disconnected. So yeah, that's all for this video. Bye bye.